Guys, are you feeling lazy? Are you feeling sloppy? Are you feeling like lack of confidence? Are you feeling a little bit of anxiety, uncertainty going into this new year? Are you feeling like you are going to once again not bring the best version of yourself? I'll tell you why you're not going to bring the best version of yourself, and I'm going to tell you what I did personally today, which is going to get you in 2 steps ahead of 99% of people in 2025. So, guys, this is all you have to do to get ahead, right? It's easier said than done. Very easy. It's very, very easier said than done. But if you do these two things, guys, if you can do these two things, I guarantee you, you will be ahead of where you want to be, and you're going to start achieving the things that you want to achieve, and you're going to become a better person. You're going to feel good about yourself. You're going to have higher self-esteem, high levels of confidence, and you're really going to be proud of yourself when 2026 rolls over, right? So, what are these two things? Guys, number one is going to be cut out all distractions, right? And I can't stress this enough. You have to cut out all distractions, bro. Anything that is distracting you right now, anything that once you do, it sort of puts you into a negative state. Like it might be smoking, right? For some, it might be drinking. For some, it might be I've already said alcohol. It might be junk food, right? Sugar. It could be YouTube. It could be scrolling endlessly, watching Netflix, staying up late, watching movies, going out with your friends, going out with the wrong people, hanging out for no reason at all, going to functions. Anything that doesn't align with yourself or align with your goals. Once you're there, then you can do whatever you want, bro. Go hang out with anyone. Go party. Go clubbing. Go do whatever you want. I don't care, bro. But this is for the people that want to get ahead and feel like they're a little bit behind. This is what you need to do. Cut out all distractions, guys. Cut out YouTube. You have to go on a dopamine detox. You have to really subtract all the dopamines that you have in your life. Anything that is giving you free dopamine right now, like your phone, like this video. This video is okay because it's long form, right? But I'm saying with all those edits, anything, even Netflix, even just Instagram. Instagram's the worst, bro. TikTok. All of those sorts of things, right? Those sorts of things are not going to help you in this new year. If you want to be the same person as you are now in 2025, then go ahead, do what you want. I don't care. But if this is for the people that want to, elevate a little bit, you want to become a little bit better in 2025, right? You want to go into 2026 feeling accomplished, feeling proud of yourself, feeling like I've actually achieved something this year. And this is for those people. Guys, cut out all distractions. I mean every single one of them. Take your time with it. It's not easy to cut out everything. But take your time with it and really cut out everything, bro. If you're smoking right now, go into nicotine gum, right? If you're drinking right now, maybe, I don't know, maybe smoke weed. I don't know, bro. I'm not sure, right? I think that would probably be a better option, right? But then you have to quit weed too. But whatever is going to help you sort of start bringing your brains back together and your mind on your side, you have to eliminate. If you're eating a lot of junk food, if you're sleeping late, bro, don't be sleeping late. You got to wake up with the sun. You got to wake up with the sun, and then you got to be in the sun as well for a little bit, right? Wake up, you want to work. You want to work a little bit hard on your business, on yourself, on your career, on something that you might be lacking, some sort of weaknesses that you might have. Maybe martial arts, maybe joining a fitness class, a boot camp, right? Some sort of new activity. Maybe you're going to join a run club. Join some sort of activity which is going to get you up early in the morning, so you can really look at this year, and you can really look at this year with passion, with excitement, with joy. Because when you go into the year, you're going to have something to look forward to. Maybe think about doing a boxing fight. Anything that sort of gets you a little bit more excited, bro. Put that in there, right? And replace it with all the bad habits you're doing right now. Because you got to face challenges. You got to put yourself in uncertain situations. You got to make yourself uncomfortable for you to come out and be that lion that you are supposed to be, what you're destined to be, what you're actually supposed to be, right? You have to put yourself in uncomfortable situations, bro. And at first, it feels uncomfortable, bro. 1 month in, you're gonna feel like a lion. You're gonna start roaring. You're gonna start feeling a lot better about yourself, right? You're gonna feel good self-esteem, good self-image. You're gonna walk into places better. You're gonna feel better about yourself. You're gonna have better relationships. You're gonna be attracting more people into your life once you have this down pat. Guys, I also do coaching. So if you want coaching, just DM me down below. We can do it on WhatsApp. And what I'll do is getting to the second point, I'll keep you accountable, right? So the second point is going to be having a list of things that you need to get done. Now, this list of things I've created right now, right? So, it's more so, you can call it a habit tracker, right? But I would say it's more of a task list, right? So these are things that I need to get done, yeah? Now, this is going to be different to what your goal is. If your goal is to get a six-pack by March, April, May, June, July, then you need to reverse engineer from that. What do you need to do? 6 sessions of weights a week, right? 6 sessions of weights a week, so you need to put that down. Then, 4 liters of water, because you need water to hydrate your muscles. Then, think more, think harder. Diet, track your macros every single day. Start tracking your macros every single day. And guys, this is not going to be perfect from day one, right? But once you keep trying, and the momentum builds, from day 7, it's going to start looking a lot better. Day 21, you're going to be almost said, by a month's time, it's going to look perfect. But you have to start. Even if you're eating shit at the start, I don't care, but at least you're tracking it. You're realizing what you're doing. You're self-assessing. Self-assessing is one of the most important things that you can do in this new year. You have to really self-assess. Make a tracker. Try and get someone to hold you accountable to these things, because without people, it's going to be very hard that you do this if you've always done what you've done. If you've been a person that always has done what he's done and you haven't got anywhere, then you need someone to hold you to your word, to hold you accountable to what you're saying, and then engage in a punishment system or something of that sort so you can actually stick to your word, right? So that's going to be the only things that you need to do, right? It's very simple. Number 1, cut out all distractions, all dopamine, all dopaminic activities. Do a full dopamine detox, bro. Whole dopamine detox. You get what I mean? You have to cut out every single thing that causes you free dopamine, because you're already getting that reward from places where you're not supposed to get that reward. You're getting it from TikTok. You're getting it from alcohol. You're getting it from partying, from clubbing, from girls, right? This is all bullshit, bro. That's not going to make you satisfied. What is going to make you satisfied is seeing growth in your business, right? If I want to, that's what I have up there. Working on my business, doing a certain amount of outreach, doing a certain amount of calls, calling people, keeping relationships. All these things are going to make you feel better about yourself, and it's more fun to work on those things, right? Your body. If you look good, you feel good, right? Yeah, I said that right. If you look good, you feel good. So you putting effort into your body every single day, tracking your macros, bro. Imagine the person you become after that 90-day, 100-day transformation, bro. You're gonna look like a different person. You're not gonna be walking the same way that you walk right now. You're gonna be walking with your chest up, with your shoulders out, flexing your arms everywhere you go. You're gonna feel a lot better about yourself, right? And I want you to actually imagine yourself already doing these things in 2025. Really envision yourself achieving all these things, bro, because I believe it's possible. And if you believe it's possible, it will happen. But you need to hold yourself accountable on a day-to-day basis, right? You gotta have a schedule. You gotta have a task list or something that just holds you accountable every single day to your word, so you're achieving these things. And guys, once you start getting the results, once you start seeing a little bit of progress in your body, in your business, in your YouTube channel, in your relationships, in your love life, in your career, more sales, then you're gonna get addicted by yourself. And I don't need to hold your hand. I don't need to help you with anything after that. But it's just that first initial period, which is always the hardest, right? Once you can get over that first initial period, bro, once the momentum kicks in, momentum makes this shit easy, bro. Once this momentum kicks in, bro, this shit is easy. It becomes very easy once you have the momentum, right? Me recording this first YouTube video after a while feels a little bit daunting, right? Not even daunting, but you're like a little bit lazy. You're not the same person. But once you've done it 3-4 days in a row, then your energy changes, bro. Go back to 5 videos ago. I'm not the same person that I am now, because everything's coming together. And that's because I was busy with my business. But bro, that's no excuse. You got to do everything every single day. That is how you're going to achieve what you need to achieve in 2025. Every single day. Action every single day, bro. Every single day you got to putting in the work. Right? Like Rihanna said, work. Alright. Peace, guys. I hope that helps. I hope that helps. And I will see you in the next one. If you want coaching, accountability, message me. I will do it for free. For the first month, I'll do it for free for you guys. Just message me and let's get started. Peace.